Welcome to 12277 Leblanc Lane in Walker, Louisiana. This beautiful home sits on 0.902 of an acre in rural tract and has all the amenities that you have been looking for. As you enter this Livingston Parish 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home, you'll notice it has a spacious living room ideal for entertaining guests. With added features like built-in cabinetry, wood encased windows and laminate flooring, and a barn door feature when entering the kitchen. The formal dining area is currently being used as a keeping area. The kitchen features a lot of cabinet space, slab granite countertops and an eating-in dining space as well. The master bedroom with ensuite bathroom lets in lots of natural light and will easily fit a king-size bed. The attached bathroom has so much added charm as well. You will never want to leave a relaxing bath in the large soaking tub. And the charm doesn't end there, with double vanity sinks, granite countertops, standalone shower and separate water closet. The 2 bedrooms opposite the side of the master bedroom are separated by a Jack and Jill bathroom, and both rooms provide ample closet space for storage. As we step out into the backyard with its beautiful quiet country views where you can sit back, relax under the cover of the back porch to enjoy the peace or listen to your favourite football game. The carport storage area has been conveniently converted into a cosy office space. If you're looking for outside storage space, then you'll need to look no further than the detached 20 by 26 insulated metal workshop with running electrics and water access as well. And if you're wanting more land, the lot right next to the home is available as well. It's been graded and levelled with several loads of dirt. During the flooding in 2016, 12277 Leblanc Lane was not affected and is currently in flood zone X. Call for your private showing appointment today.